Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Quick question. How many times have you looked at your short hair and thought, what do I even do with this today? If that sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're breaking down the most stunning sleek hairstyles for short hair that are trending right now. Because here is the thing. Short hair is actually one of the most versatile hair lengths out there. And when you add a sleek finish to it, the whole look transforms into something incredibly polished and chic. Let's start with the sleek finger waves. This style has been around for decades and it is still turning heads in 2026. Those beautiful S-shaped waves laid flat against the head give such an elegant and sophisticated finish. It works on virtually every face shape and it photographs beautifully. Then there is a sleek tapered cut, clean edges, sharp lines, and a smooth finish that just looks so intentional and put together. Pair it with some edge control and swooped edges, and you have a full look right there. The slicked back Pixie cut is another one that is absolutely having a moment right now. Everything is smoothed back, edges are laid, and the result is this effortlessly cool style that looks bold and feminine at the same time. For the ladies with a little more length on top, a sleek side swept style is gorgeous. All the hair swept to one side, smooth and flat, with clean edges framing the face beautifully. And let's not forget the sleek low tapper with design. Adding a subtle hair design to a sleek tapper takes it from simple to stunning in seconds. It adds personality without taking away from that clean polished look. Short hair really does it all, and when it's sleek, it hits on a completely different level. See? Short hair never runs out of options. It just keeps getting better. If this video inspired you, please hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment below telling me which sleek style you're trying first. Until next time, take care of yourself